Tell you what, guys, I don't do it often, but I gotta hand it to myself. I am pretty crafty. Just saved, what, almost $60 on a shield that, who knows, I probably never would have used. And it fits perfect. Look at that sucker. Comes down just like it should. It's a little bit right here where it's uncovered, but I don't think that's gonna make a difference at all. But it's on there. It's got a nice shield now. See that? Perfect. Took my little cut-off tool, trimmed it a bit in a few places so it would fit good. Like right here. Most of it's gonna shoot right out. A little bit might go that way, but it's probably not even gonna be noticeable. So I just saved, like I said, between about 60 bucks. That's how much those stupid things were. Which was ridiculous, you know? Why pay for something that you don't have to? So that's done, that's in, that's on. That's not going nowhere. But the only thing I gotta do now is, this is a 38-inch deck. Okay, I don't want, this says 36. I thought I had one that said 38. I couldn't find it. So I'm either gonna take a little paste and just turn this into an 8, or Dremel this symbol right off. Take my little Dremel tool and then just Dremel this flush. But if I do that, it'll be real obvious. If I just take that black Dynaflex stuff and make a, 2 lines, it'll say 38, nice and clean. And there you go. And the belt's on its way tomorrow, and then that's it. It's ready to go. So I'm gonna say not bad, man. I'm pretty, I gotta tell you, when it comes down to it, I've got skill. And not just when it comes to stuff like this, just the whole entire business sense. And I would have done well had I started earlier. Definitely would have. I've seen other people where they've got their, they've got it together, but they got real good jobs and pensions and shit. I'm doing this all myself. And I've got it. I've got it, boy. When I get a little bit older, forget about it. I'm gonna make it. Keep it up like this. I'm getting too far ahead of myself thinking about that, but it's the truth. Why? Pay $60 for a piece of plastic, and those things break real easy all the time. I see them broken all the time. This one's from '88. I remember what machine I got this off of. Right over there off Oldbridge, right by Route 9, off that dude who was getting rid of a Craftsman. I said, hey, I need the bag. I want the bagger. And I'm glad I took that thing. Came in handy. Just saved me 60 bucks. It adds up. So that means grand total expense on this will be just under $12. I would say, with the fuel prices the way they are right now, how many miles did I travel down there? That's a 45-minute ride, basically, from here. I don't know, what is that, 28, 30 miles, something like that? So whatever I spent in gas, we'll just call it 10 bucks in gas. I spent 20 bucks on this machine. I intend to list it for 900. If I get 9, that's 880 I made on it. That's not bad, boys and girls. That's not bad. Okay. All right.